The history begins with ancient levers and pulleys, where builders moved stones by hand before medieval cranes lifted cathedrals. The industrial era unleashed steam shovels and tall cranes, transforming ports and railways, with Britain and the United States showing faster material moves. In Japan, compact machines adapted to dense cities, delivering metro tunnel precision while turning construction into an emblem of national innovation. Brazil's mid-century urban boom showcased backhoes and cranes, transforming informal settlements into transport hubs and modern neighborhoods. Today, digital twins and autonomous machines link history to future skylines, expanding safety, efficiency, and cultural meaning across continents.